TJ's pumping right now. Damn. Oh man, I was waiting for this to break. Eh.
What was the spread? Sheesh. Was eine Verarsche, Alter. Das ist eine richtige Verarsche, ey.
I'm still waiting. For everyone here. GJ ate my grits last night. Hey, good morning, everyone. This is the New York session. It's 7:48. We're gonna be starting right now, and um, let's go and look at gold first. I was looking at gold since I'm in a buy right now. This is my current position. Let me go ahead and open it. I got in right here at the break of this 30-minute high. And my stop loss is at 1813 flat, so about 25 pips, 24, somewhere around there. Yeah, 24. So I think we should continue up. Did break above here. We just need a close, so I'll be looking into a 5-minute. I don't want to see any close below here. If not, then I'll be closing my my two positions. So take profit will be at 1824, which basically for the rest of the day. It's about 86 pips, so that's good. And yeah, and GJ, I was looking for this to break that previous 15-minute high, but I was making coffee and I missed it, so that is what it is. So yeah. Yeah, it would have been a really good break above here just to get into a buy right at 630. think gold should definitely play out. Looking good. GJ did close this 15 minute with no wick on top, so but you know still would have been a nice little 10 pip trade. Mm, What's the daily looking like on GJ? It's definitely looking good for buys. You have a strong support at 150 to 500, 600, and once we start breaking above here, um, you know you have this wick to fill, 154. That was 80 pips, right? 80 pips, and above 154, you have up to 150. Yeah, almost 155, so another 100 pips. Then this will be a very tricky area, technically. And it looks like gold needs some juice. Juice. Yeah, it's pretty early still. It's a very early entry. So I'll just be looking at support um, being held on the 5 minute like this, for example. If it holds, then you know I'll continue to hold my positions. If it doesn't, then I'll close. Yeah, still got an hour and 30 minutes till PPI. I close my 2 positions right now. Not liking it. It's way too early for this. It's just my range around here. Yeah. I mean, I can't just make a lower wick and continue up. I just want to see support here on the 5 minute holding. Yeah, probably close to early. Oh. 15, 30, somewhere around here. That's your stop loss and 15. It's this huge rejection here. I think it should continue up. When I closed the 2 at break even, I re-entered. Basically about the same thing. Just like 3 pips of difference. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Ah, fuck. Disgusting. Sub. So I'm gonna just move my stops at the low of this 15, and yep, hopefully it doesn't reject. We got a wick to fill up here and continue not. I'm not really liking this much. This big ass rejection candle, a wick here. It's just really messy. You see something like that? Usually the next one, if it breaks the high, will reject as well. Yeah, let's see. Like this right here is really hard to see, right? You have a 30-minute candle rejecting. You have a, this big ass wick up here to the upside. Then the next one um, doesn't break. If it does break, then it doesn't go like as higher than the previous wick. Um, Let me see if I find something. Might just tap, close, and then come back down. But going higher and closing higher than the previous 30-minute high, when it left a rejection like that, it's really hard to see. I have something like this. See, rejection and then close, close. So it might take a little longer. And then you have something like this also, I'm watching, I'm waiting for gold to start pumping down. Well, that's gonna be not anytime soon. It might be during NYSC maybe, but I don't see why gold should be pumping down. Pumping. People say pumping, pumping, pumping. Mm, Gold will clear 1800. I mean it did clear 1800 already. Yeah, but I mean you could get a deep retest down here, somewhere around here. I mean if you wanna follow the trend line, you can clearly see here. We're making just higher highs and higher lows. Maybe at 8 a.m. during NY Open, maybe at NYSC Open. I don't know. But when people say pumping down, and how the fuck is it gonna pump down? When you look at all structures, you look at the daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, it's all looking bullish. So how is it gonna pump down? Like, am I still gonna do Asian sessions? Yeah, sometimes depends. Depends. I try to look for the like a pretty decent volatile session. Yeah, 1824, 1825 for me above here. Just to get out of this vicinity here. Then you have all this clean traffic up here. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna be a target to hold for a while. Let's get comfortable. It did close good on the 15th. Now let's see. the announcements, go into my Instagram. That's where I pretty much post everything. Or go onto YouTube and go onto my channel and subscribe and turn on the notifications. Click on the bell. The heck are you saying, man? Who is paying for this party? What party? What are you talking about? What party? Yeah, the Zoom is just for like people on the Slack on for market fluidity. I don't have a mentorship. I don't not about that life. Uh, I don't got patience for that. I don't got patience for needy people. I don't want to sound like a dick. You know what? I'm gonna close like half of it right now because I'm not liking this much. So, closing about 50% of it. So, yeah. Fuck. There you go. Yeah, I've seen this way too many times. What the fuck? Let's looking at GJ now. So if we start breaking below here, can definitely look for a good sell. Um, it would be kind of trending. But if you look into the 15, how this rejected, now we're breaking this low right now, and from here down to 8 a.m., we can definitely get at least 10 pips out of it. Now down to here. So yeah, I'm gonna get into a little entry right now on GJ. Oh shit. Yeah, got in a little later than that, so something like that. My stops will be at 15, at the 15 high, and yeah, let's hope it works. Let's cross our fingers. It should work. Should work. Should work. Should work. Should work. one's still alive. Oh wow, look at gold, yeah. Gold tapped back to that area where it closed. It's 724. Mm, yeah, I'm gonna close probably half of it now. Not liking this much, this counter trend trading shit. So let's see. And I'm definitely seeing this 15-minute closing below here. And it's maybe not. As long as the stop loss is right here, and you have what, like 6 pip stop loss, I think it's decent. 7. Says that you have a lot of fucking traffic right here. Range. I'll be stuck in here. But yeah, as far as gold goes, this setup right now, this massive 30-minute rejection, and then you have the tap up here. Now it's kind of like in the limbo, right? You don't know if it's gonna continue up or maybe retest down here. So holding is kind of like unpredictable. Yeah, it's kind of. I think it should play out for 10 pips. It's 10 pips only. You're only risking 7. You can get 10, 15 pips out of it. Down to here maybe. As this is creating um, the higher high, and then you want a higher low to pop down here for them to continue up. Even though you have a massive 4-hour candle bullish, this one might close doji on the next hour and so. I don't think it's gonna flip bearish, but yeah, then the 9 a.m. candle can continue up. But for now, I kind of trend trading should work out. I think it should work out. Just gotta be confident. I'll be looking at how this 15-minute closes because with no wick to the downside, meaning there's not that much demand for it, and I'll be closing if it has a small wick or some wick. Then I'll just leave it open. Yeah, I think it's closing good. Even though I closed half of it, I'd almost break even. I will still be it will still be a profitable position. And gold, yeah, gold is just messing around here. Eh. Meh. Trash dude always with his mouth open on camera. My mouth is open. Oh shit, I didn't know that. Sami Badawi. Badawi. That nigga has to be Indian for sure. He about to order from McDonald's. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna close right now at 8 pips, 9 pips. So I think it should be good enough. Start rejecting here, seeing how this close with barely any way to the downside. Might just reject and continue. Maybe retest up here, but you know, we still got 30 minutes to NY open, so it might keep coming down, but I'm good for now. Nikaruma. Oh, the drawing guy? Yeah, he's funny. Can I talk? Oh, how did I come up with the idea of the meal prep business? Sure. I basically just started in Miami. I was with my cousin, and you know, the meal prep business kind of like it was popping back then, like back in 2016, 15. You know, the fitness industry and all of that. So a lot of people were into that, and Miami was kind of like the place for it to begin. And just yeah, I just kind of like kept the idea, moved to New York, and did my own thing here. Gold is really struggling to break above 1817 here. And since we're coming close to NY Open, not gonna place any trades right now. See maybe a bottom wick now on gold. If I wake up early, excited to trade, I don't wake up excited. I wake up and then I just do my thing and then I go open my trading view, but not like excited like running. If you guys are still holding gold, just be careful here if this 30-minute might come down, create a bottom wick, and NY open. Want to see how volume reacts. Maybe we reject here and come down. But 8:30 it's PPI, so he definitely I'll definitely wait for PPI better if I'm not in any positions right now, like right now. What the number is? Point 0.6. Say gold did tap 153 flat. Well, it's about to. And I think possible buys above here will play out a lot better if you look into the 30-minute and you start getting, break of the previous high up here, support down at 153 flat. Somebody raised the hand. I mean, you could unmute yourself and talk if you want. What's up? Oh, Tiger. Rare. look at gold. It's moving. You can listen to your own music. Oh, that's the first. Am I planning to sell gold? No, not right now. Yeah, I think everything's just stuck. It's like watching paint dry for now. If gold breaks past 1818.700, which is the previous weekly wick, could you see a move on the small time frame from candles to the left above 1818? Yes. Yep. Yep. Oh wow, now that I'm noticing the weekly have a massive down wick already. So I think holding a position from not here, maybe a retest down here, somewhere lower than the current price. Up to 1824, and past 1824 you have 1848, right? Yep. So there's still a lot of room for gold to continue moving. Yeah, and GJ is just, yeah, it's moving slow. I think the counter trend trading did work here. Oh, got another 15 minutes till 8 a.m. Remember, this can be a pullback for price to continue moving bullish. Oh, and you find the weirdest people on Instagram. retracement until the fib 61.8 at 1807. 1807 is way down here. That's the what the Fibonacci saying down here. And then big move to 1850. Oh, there you go. That's the play. So you have a buy limit down at 1807. We stop for like 20 pips, 30 pips, and then 1850. Choo, choo, choo. Almost 400 pips. OMG. Yeah, GJ is moving slow. That's why I got out. I'm like, I'm out of here. As soon as this thing tapped down here, I'm like, I'm out. Right, you're getting close to 153. So at 153, which is down here, you might be some rejection. So, 6 more pips. And close partials or whatever, and then wait until 8 a.m. Can I unmute you? Yeah, I think you can unmute yourself. Oh, there you go.
Good morning, Mack.
What's up, Run?
Hey, thanks for taking my question.
Yes, sir.
So I see that on gold, it is at a major resistance level on the daily chart and of course the 4-hour chart. Would you be looking for sales right now, back down to that level that you just marked, that you're looking for buys?
1811 as a small retracement, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. If I see that, the 5 minute we're still rejecting like how we are right now, and then we start breaking these lows, you want to see for previous 5 minute supports like here. Oops. Shit. So down here, man, fuck. Let me go ahead and just do this here. So down here, actually, let me use the maybe like below here or down here for a small retracement. But since it's getting close to NY Open, I'd rather wait until 8 a.m. and see how the candles are forming. 8 a.m. can usually give you that pullback. So, but that's what I mostly see, that during the North American session open at 8 a.m. The NY Open, you can see a small reversal. So this can actually take gold back down here, since we're getting this rejection on the daily, 4-hour, as well as the 30-minute. For a counter trend, you want to look into the 5 minute, if you're looking into a lower time frame trade for maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes to be in that trade, you want to see lows getting lows breaking. So you want this support down here to break, this support down here to break, and so on. The retest, I'm not 100% sure where it would be at, but you're getting a sell from the top. You're selling from the high. You have up to 50, $5 move even. So yeah, it makes sense. I think you
Gotcha.
should wait until 8 a.m. to see how the candles are forming, because then again, for gold it can just come down here and not even go below 10 pips and then shoot up again.
Gotcha. All
Yeah.
right, thanks, man.
Yes, sir. I'm not ignoring that 1817 resistance. I'm just saying that um, gold can easily break above here. And I closed my position. I had my position open from down here. I closed right at 1817.
Hey Mac, how are you doing?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Yep.
If you don't mind, I do have a question about GA,
Yep.
but like I just got my 10 pips from it, but I'm just considering two better options. If you don't mind, I will ask your opinion about it. GA.
Yeah, I can just be looking at GJ. I can tell you what's going on.
Yes. Yeah.
Um, yeah, it's basically the same thing as GJ. You have this high created down here. We're still, looking into a pretty bullish momentum right now, based on the 30
Exactly.
minutes. So you have support down here. Well, actually, let me just put GA up.
Actually, like I took a sell based on the 1 hour. If you
Uh-huh.
just switch to 1 hour, I will show you my
Right here,
entries.
right?
Yes, when it broke the previous bullish candle, I took a sell and then I secured my 10 pips.
Uh-huh.
But when I just take a look to 30 minutes, I saw like better entries. But do you
Right.
think it's a better entries will be when the bearish candle, like a doji one?
Uh-huh.
I
Well,
mean the
this right here?
yes, that one.
No,
Yes,
because you
if
still
it
had
breaks
support.
the
Right, you would have been
yeah.
looking at the bodies of the candles instead of the wicks. So you have
Mhm.
your support down here. Shit, I don't know why this is not
So
swiping.
for the next time, I shouldn't ignore that week, right?
No, no, you shouldn't have, because this is it can tell you that it's rejecting. You have a small
Mm-hmm.
rejection here, big rejection up here. Then you have this pumping down. So you would have looked at this body, right? These two
Yes.
candles as your support zone. Because if you go into the 15, you can clearly see that it's a support zone. You have more candles in there. And as soon as we start breaking below this body, you have a possible wick fill up down here. And with momentum, as you're getting close to NY open, you can count that it can continue down to retest this previous you know demand zone right here, or
Mm-hmm.
resistance, support, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, can be
Yeah.
your retest and then your continuation up.
So for the better entries, you were saying if the
I would have looked just down here as this support broke.
down here. Oh,
Right,
okay.
yeah.
But why you just looking at the body? Why you don't looking at the wicks?
Because I know that this wick can get filled, right? So if you're looking at
Hmm.
this, well, actually you only have to do a trend line. You know that this, with momentum, you have a rejection before on the 30 minute. You know that this is not continuing up, but now you have this with momentum going down and breaking this structure. So this right here, this box, becomes obsolete, right? Now you're not getting a break above here, and you're not gonna get a break. I mean, and what's gonna happen next is that you're either gonna range in here, or you're gonna get a break below if you don't get a break above. So that's what happened basically. The same thing that I called on GJ, since it was counter trend, right? See the momentum going up. One candle actually here that looks like it was, holding
Yeah,
support, but it
almost
didn't.
pretty much the
Right.
same. Yeah.
Then this one rejected. What's gonna happen with the next one is that you're gonna either anticipate that this is gonna range in here within this resistance and support, or break above and continue, pushing up, or break below and pull back, which is what it did. So I would
Yeah.
just look at the body of the candle and
The
have
body.
a you're right, have a
Okay.
smaller stop loss. This would have been your stop loss up here.
You mean the current like bearish candle, right?
Right, that current bearish candle, the top
That
wick.
the one. All right then. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
yeah, that's my point of view. I think, if it makes sense. Now you're getting the retest up here. You see this wick, which got
Yeah.
retested. Um, and we're getting close to NY open, and we got 2 minutes left. So this is like a kind of like the time that you wanna take um, to see what's happening, right? So you look into the 30-minute or the 15, and you want to see some sort of formation for this volume to either push up or continue breaking down.
All righty. Beautiful. Thank you, man.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, not a problem. I don't know why I have my mic off and this thing is still making noise. Swallow my bullets and don't you speak. Alright, I think Ron, this is what you're looking at, right? You want to see this breaking and closing below here if you're looking for a sell. Other than that, for buys, you will be looking at a break above here and close. You're looking for a buy. Yeah, enter the buy right now. Oh, look at that. Sheesh. Wow, beautiful. Shit just fucking took off. My stop will be like down below here. Oh shit. Hopefully I don't become the wick. Yeah, I think I should continue up. Oh, that was nice. I'm closing one. I'm up like 10 pips on one, and leaving the rest run. Yeah, it was a nice manual entry. What's the target? 1824. Yeah, I think it should definitely hit that.
Wow, man, what is gold doing?
Hmm.
Gold is doing something crazy.
What do you mean gold is moving up? Yeah, little trades you want to take, and you want to call it a day. But I think 1824, that's your next target. Should be getting hit. I'll take little pieces of the pie, right? And remember that it's still 15 minutes left to CPI, so I don't want to be in any positions running. But yeah, I think it was decent trade if we were looking into the 5 minute as it broke above here. I already closed the two positions I had. But yeah, you have 1824 as your major resistance. About 22 more pips. Yeah, no, I'm not forgetting the news. That's why I closed, because I'm not forgetting PPI. PPI can do something, but yeah, I'm not forgetting it. Still got 24 minutes for it. But why do you want to hold? If you have a break above here, right on the dot, why do you want to hold the position up to 1824 and so on? I can continue up, but that's not my style. Even holding a small position, I don't even like doing that. Take little chunks. Somebody was talking about GJ. Wow, GJ is just whipped around here. Yeah. The NY Open. Retesting 153 again. Oh shit. Anyone caught that gold trade or no? Anyone in the Zoom? On YouTube? On the tube? You dig. Baleen. You dig. Had a buy stop at 18.15 and oh damn. Damn. Oh wow, it did hit 1824. Back to the day job. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day already. I'm done. Yep. I don't even want to see what PPI is doing. If you guys wanna, I think Jeevan is doing a stream. If you guys wanna hop into his and give a like. Uh, but I'm gonna be out already. Been here since 6:30 already. It's called out 3 good trades, right? Oh, GJ gold, GJ gold. So I'm gonna head out, guys. I hope everyone had a good time. Give a like to the video, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be safe, everyone. Bye bye.
Thanks, man. Have a good night.
Yeah, man. You too. Bye bye. Wow, gold's still pumping. Sheesh. Yep. Thank you, guys. Be safe. Yeah, it's breaking above 1825 right now. Beautiful. Top job. Yes, beautiful. Bye bye.
Alright, just had to go to the washroom there, sorry. Okay, who still got their gold trades active? This is pretty much, if you got a 50 pip trade here, don't be an idiot with the news coming, alright? You gotta respect what the market gives you. Too many of you hyenas do not appreciate or respect the markets. Ted will tell you the same shit. So if you guys got to catch the gold buys thanks to the 1820 call out, send me a like, subscribe, say send this to Q Bank's community. You're selling right now gold? Why are you selling, Dan McCarty? Alright, who's still holding their gold? Who's still holding their gold? Who took the gold buys from the 1820 call out? Who's still holding risk-free runners? Because now we're just waiting 15 more minutes for the economic data. Right? All we were waiting for our New York confirms was just a nice clean break above 1820 for the entries. Okay, if you missed it, don't try to jump in anything now. You have to wait for a potential pullback. If you miss the gold buys, do not get FOMO. Do not be an emotional idiot, because patiently wait for the pullback that is probably going to come at least with the economic data or with the potential new 4-hour candle in NYSE. Alright? Because we're approaching another higher time frame key level target, which is around 1828. I'm expecting to have a reaction to as well. It looks like, honestly looks like the producer price index report is already being priced in before the report release, because consumer inflation yesterday was so high. So it looks like economists and investors are already expecting that the producer inflation is also going to be showing us an equal increase, where any increase in inflation fundamentally is a bullish factor for gold, like I was explaining to you guys, right? Because what investors do to hedge inflation risks on the economy is pool their money into gold. Right? GJ, we still don't have confirms on GJ yet. We're going to be waiting for those confirms. The only trade so far was the gold buys with New York volume, the continuation of the inflation increases, weakness in the US dollar, because you know we're playing that, like, we're playing this US dollar sentiment to our advantage as we trade gold against the dollar. So seeing the dollar failing to break its highs overnight, as well as actively pushing down overnight, gold also breaking above our 1820 entry point, and of course the inflation increases we saw yesterday, plus the high probability of producer price inflation increase today. You can see that we had a nice impulsive play to take advantage of with that market open volume right at New York session. It's just that whenever people take a group trade or people take a signal, what happens is you start to get that dopamine hit and you start to lose sight of your trading plan, potential targets, any economic data coming, market timing, and so forth. You start to lose your logic.